everyone, and welcome to the Pokemon Lab.
Hey guys, how you doing? This is old Pokedad, my good buddy Aurora. We're back with another Make Your Own episode. And what are we gonna make today, bud?
A Pokedex Rotom.
A Rotom Pokedex, made out of cardboard.
I can't believe it transformed into me!
I sat down, took some time, figured out how to do this real quick. This is what I made the first time. In the video, you're going to see what I make with a little more extra practice. What I did was I copied this off the screen, off the computer, so he's a little loopy-doopy. Painted him up, glued him together and stuff like that. We're going to show you how to do that in the video today. I'm excited. All the notes are in there so you guys know how to make your own. I even made a template so you guys can download it. We'll have a link in the description for our blog. You think a lot of people can make this, bud, or what?
Yeah, it seems pretty simple.
Pretty simple. Took me like 3 hours to make the one that you guys are about to see. We hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll be back after the video to talk about it again. All right, let's get that cracking. that's him. That is our Rotom Dex right there from Pokemon Sun and Moon. I think it came out pretty good. I think the second one definitely came out better. First one, I tried to cut off his head because I thought I could make it like a real life cone and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was too hard to try to do that, and I wouldn't have a tip on it or anything like that. I do have the link down below. Picture that I have is of him sideways a little bit like this. So this side's going to be a little bit bigger. So any suggestions? Maybe cut the thing in half and then just like flip it over so you can have like mirrored sides of it. And I think that might be a little bit more helpful for you guys. Make sure you cut those feet off. That was too hard to get everything to wrap around the feet. And other than that, yeah, make sure you get the little thin little strips right there for the hands. And yeah, just have fun doing it. I fixed up the little thingamabobber just a little bit. But yeah, he's a little crooked. So maybe he's like standing like this, like far away.
Yeah.
Sideways, like, hey, how you guys doing? And yes, he stands up. Well, he doesn't stand up as good. There we go. So, the Rotom Dex, he stands up, and you can display him anywhere, put him by your other Pokemon stuff. I think it's cool. What about you?
Yeah, I really like it.
Yeah, man. So, if you guys ever make one, we want to see what you guys make. Maybe you could tag us on Instagram and just type the Pokemon Lab. I'll put it right there, and we'll check it out, and we'll come by and say hi to you guys over there, too. And that's our video for today. We got Incineroar. Is going to be next 1 or 2 videos. She's going to be making something on her own. But yeah, we got a whole bunch of other make your own episodes planned. So until then, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.